In today's session, I'll tell you about the motion guide layer. So, students, the motion guide layer, how it works. Basically, in a motion guide layer, we just draw the curves through the pen or the pencil. A path actually means the path which we can draw, and we can just rotate the object onto that path. Okay. So now, for just in progress, what I can do, just I can take an oval tool and I have drawn it on my screen, as you can see. Now what I will do, I'll just add a motion guide layer. So I will add a motion guide layer. So with above the layer 1, which you can actually see here, there is a motion guide layer which I have added by clicking on this option. Okay. So now the motion guide layer is added, and in the motion guide layer, what I will do, I will just choose a pen or a pencil. So I can take a pen and I can draw a path. Okay. So the object is on layer 1 and I have added a motion guide layer. So as I have clicked on the motion guide layer, I have selected that. Now I will go to the motion guide layer. I will pick up a pen and I will draw a curve, basically a path which I am drawing. But before that, I have to click on the frame 1 also. So I have selected frame 1, and on the frame 1 of motion guide layer, I have drawn a path. Now students, what I can do, so as you can see, I have highlighted that. Now I have just picked the object and I kept it on the starting point of the path. Okay. So now students, this portion also I have done, and see, I am just adjusting my oval, okay, onto the path. Now I'll go to any frame of motion guide layer and I'll click on there. I'll click there and I will insert a keyframe there by F6. As you all know that we can insert a keyframe. So on both the layers, layer 1 and motion guide layer, we have to insert a keyframe by F6 key. So this also I have done. Now what I will do, I will just pick up the object and I'll keep it at the end point. Okay. So I just hold the object and I kept it in the end point of the path. Now students, so this much part. Now on the layer 1, I have to select all the layers, or in between also I can click and I can select the create motion tween option. Otherwise we can just select all the layers, all the frames actually of the layer 1, and after right clicking I can select the motion tween option. Okay. So I have selected this create motion tween option. So this much part we have done. Now how can we run an animation? What is the shortcut key for that? That is control plus enter. Okay. So now with control plus enter, we can just run and we can just have a view of our object. See students, I am maximizing it. See, my object is moving onto the path which I have created. Okay. So this is a motion guide layer, students. Thank you, students.